is a 1967 Aston Martin DB6 Vantage that features the highly desirable numbers matching example with a 5-speed manual gearbox, a recent 20,000 mechanical tune-up by marque expert Kevin K. Restorations, and it partook in the Copperstate 1000 and the Colorado Grand.
Love this car. Love this car. 318 is one of the best, coolest Astons that I've had the pleasure to drive around. I know you've driven it around. Everybody loves this car. We're going to sell it here today, ladies and gentlemen. Great car. How much here? Who give 400? Who give 400? 300? 300,000. A lot of guys want to give 100. 150. 200. 150. Yes, you are. But you're good looking. You are cheap, but you're good.
Elliot, I love these. They always kind of give me that James Bond kind of feel.
You're exactly right, Kaylin. As you can see from the 007 license plate that the
geez,
previous owner even put on it, it's absolutely
and they call
perfect.
you the pro.
So this is 1967 Aston Martin DB6, but the special part here is that it's a Vantage. The modern Aston Martins, they throw V8 Vantage as part of the model, but at the time, you could just get an Aston Martin DB6. Vantage meant you got more power. It was the more desirable engine. So you got a 288 horsepower 6-cylinder, which at the time, tremendously powerful.
So is this the James Bond car, like in the movies?
It's very similar.
Okay.
He had a DB5, but the styling's the same. You know, the vibe is the same, if you will. I had the pleasure of getting to drive this car earlier a few weeks ago. Drives amazingly. Obviously, it's a dream car because, look at it, it's iconic. You know who did have one of these, though? Paul McCartney.
Oh, fun fact.
Yeah, and apparently he even recorded Hey Jude originally in one of these. Anyway, it's a cool car. Love the look. Perfect color combo. It's a killer car. Happy to see it here.
At 270,000, at 260 I am bid, 270, 270. Gang, I'm going to sell it if you're done. At 270 for the first time. 265, 270, 270, 270. He's out, he's out. You get 70? 75, 275, 275. 270 I'm bid, 275. At 270 I'm bid, 275, 275. And look at me, here's a great car, and I'm about to sell it. 275 for the first time. 275 for the second time. Jim, your guy's got a bid. 275 for the third and final call. I have sold on the internet.